We got a Mexican bearded lizard back there in the corner. There's probably a secondary one in here too. It's probably in one of the burrows. Fish monsters. Brazilian lancehead. Hello, gorgeous. Black-headed python.
Probably in that.
It's right there. Where is the king hiding? Oh, back in the corner. Of course. Of course. Of course you'd be hiding back in the corner. Every time we've come, the king cobra is hiding in the back corner. I keep hoping there's a secondary one, but I haven't found it yet.
Keep that.
Komodo dragon.
What is that?
A big, big, big lizard.
Wow.
Big enough lizard, Daddy never dared to have one. They're very, very powerful. Look at that. Oh, carpet python up top. We had one of those too.
Well, Daddy, look.
Up in here.
Where is it? Where is it? Carpet pythons
So
are
gorgeous.
really violent creatures. They're just it's swimming over here.
Canina lizard. Yep. Say hello. Say hello. Oh, want to swim for the video? Okay.
Every animal is like.
Oh,
Whoa. Now there's two.
Angelina Island Iguana.
That one looks cute. Oh, they're so cute. Daddy, look at the baby one.
There's all sorts of little desert lizards.
There's one.
Okay, let's go. We have seen it all. Now to leave.
Why is that important?
Let's see if they waited.
Oh, there goes.
No.
Well, I got a couple. Where's mommy?
She's right there.
She's running past her.
Oh,
There, look. Mommy, we've seen a bunch of them.
we have all rejoined. Now?
You see the kid? He's not there.
Oh, she's doing photo time.
Mami, vamos a elefante. Un elefante se balanceaba sobre la terunara. Okay, what are we gonna go see next?
What are we hiding out here? Crocodile monitor.
Cocodrilo. Mami.
Where's that? Oh, it's right up there.
Yeah, it's sunbathing. It says you are not going to get a good view of me today.
Look over here.
Up in the top left corner, baby.
Daddy, look. Monkey. Oh my god.
What are we hiding in here?
Baby. Holy flip. Okay.
Look at the jaws on that iguana.
Yep.
This one is a Grand Cayman blue iguana. Gorgeous. I had a blue iguana, but mine was never that big. Never, never, never. Where shall we go? I smell stinkiness.
I smell elephants.
Elephants, giraffes.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Stinkies. Whoa. Look
Asian
at
elephants.
What's over here?
Bath time was 10 a.m. Oh, we missed it.
What?
We missed bath time.
No way. Oh, Daddy, please. This thing.
Oh, did your baby? I want a baby. Look, this is another baby. You can have a baby. I can have a baby. We can all have baby elephants. But somebody else got to pick up the baby poop. I know cleaning that baby poop.
Me either. Me neither.
I keep asking my parents for a baby elephant.
You know what you got instead? A baby belly.
Holy moly, they're way over here. The big ones.
Are you allowed to own
elephant?
No, that requires an exotic license, and the exotic licenses that I had never covered something like that.
Look, Daddy.
But that's because ours specialized in reptiles anyway. So
Daddy only likes snakes, reptiles.
I'd have took a baby elephant if I could, but if we had a baby elephant, I would have had to choose either feed you all or feed it, because it's expensive.
Look, oh, he just drank. That's food. They use.
No, that's drinking right there.
Don't they use their trunks?
Yes, they do use their trunks.
They use their trunks
they had like
to
a
take
big waterfall and
showers too.
everything.
Anna.
I guess they're like.
They're probably all out here. Probably none in the habitat.
Remember Javier? He saved that baby's shoe.
Hey, on the map, was this the end? Map boy? Should we just go ahead and turn it around? Considering they're probably all out here.
We're at the elephant.
Let's go this
How about that? So we're at the Asians. Well, Asians is right down there, so we're right here.
Okay, so this is the outside, so they're probably all outside. That's their actual habit, their the housing.
Yeah.
So they're all out here. So yeah.
we need to go back to the
Horrible map person.
Let's just follow Yanai.
We gotta fire our map person.
we need to go back to the reptile thing.
We gotta fire the rat person. Rat person? Map person. Whatever.
Wait, where'd they go?
Say your ears are tiny.
Yeah.
You don't think your ears line up to an elephant's?
I say mine are probably like a baby one.
Oh yeah?
Well, it'd be
Wow.
It'd
An
be,
elephant with those ears can hear 6 miles away.
it'd be
That's wow.
It'd be cool to see
I want to hear from 6 miles away.
Yeah, that'd be nice. Oh,
Look,
I
they're
don't
feeding the elephants. Oh, I want the baby. I want the baby.
the baby one.
Look at the baby. Trying to train it to ring the bell for food.
I want a bun.
That's a big elephant.
They said, I'm here.
Yep, and say I rang the bell, okay? Now give it to me. The baby's so cute.
Right.
Can we trade the baby for some other children?
No. How are we gonna put the baby elephant in the RV?
I don't know.
How are you gonna drive? That's gonna, you're gonna put it in there, it's just gonna.
No, the baby elephant.
Well, still.
After it gets to be that big, we gotta get rid of it because it won't fit out the door anymore.
You're gonna put it in the house?
No, she was talking about in the RV.
Let's go fit it.
Over here, we have the male. This is called the bachelor pad for the adult males. Guess that way they can kind of control when they're doing the no-no. You know,
For the splitting
when
up.
the elephants go get the jaboom boom on. That could probably get quite awkward with children walking around this place.
What's right?
Around. It's all good.
What's over here?
Somewhere in here hiding should be a cougar. Probably.
Oh, he's getting up though.
Oh,
He's getting up.
oh, he's there. He's seeing y'all here.
Oh, what is that?
It's a cougar.
Small now, huh?
Cougar.
Yeah, laying down in the shade.
No, it's like, I don't want to see you.
Where? I can't see it.
It's like-
Look, see those?
See his tail hanging from. Come here, Junior. Come here, right
gosh.
here. Look. See the tail hanging off the. It's just laying right across the ledge.
There's
Okay.
actually three.
Oh, look at the other. I didn't see that.
Yeah.
There's two there and there's one over here. Up on the cliff.
No, the one you saw up over from over there is right there. It's just the two of them. Probably male and female, more than likely. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Looks like we have some kind of vulture, buzzard, Vulcan.
These are vultures.
Yep. Got a hooded vulture
I don't see this.
and a repels vulture.
Oh, look
There's
out.
one hiding up there. It just put itself up there a minute ago.
Look, he's trying to come out.
And then we also got Cape vultures. That's the littler ones. What's up there? How you doing? How you doing? What do you see over there? Anything over there? Food? That vulture wants some food.
I smell some food.
Yeah, it just put itself there a minute ago too.
Oh, okay. And no.
Because it was over on the ledge. Further in when we were first walking over, and I was going to walk to there, and y'all went into the cougar thing. So.
No, it says, let me
Over here.
I'm getting stuck.
Oh, my side's already hurting.
What is there?
I don't know.
It's a baby.
Oh, there's more complaining. We got jaguar or something? Oh, leopard.
Where is it?
Clouded leopard right here. Sleeping.
Oh, is that a cheetah?
No, I just said it's a clouded leopard.
I have
It could too. And then there's another over there on that one.
Right up there at the very tip top. What is it?
Yeah, there's one up there, one right there, and then one on that ledge over there.
I want to feed it.
You want to feed it?
Let's feed you to him.
They will eat.
Oh lordy.
I'll kill him. It's over here. Oh, what is it?
I want the baby cub.
It's a cub.
So right there, we have a.
I don't know.
It's called a fossa.
Fossa. What is a fossa?
There's a fossa. Yeah, I know.
It's the largest carnivore on Madagascar. Wow, that's the biggest carnivore in Madagascar. Let's go to Madagascar. We can handle that.
Like the one in the movie?
Daddy, what if there's one somewhere hiding in that hole?
Is it the one in the movie?
What are we doing? Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Come on,
No, I never did turn my open.
Oh, look, we're right here, so. Which we,
Huh?
Okay, so we're right here, which we have to go back
Oh.
here and do.
Baby,
We have to do a U-turn and go back that way because we were missing like a whole line right there.
because we're coming up into this and we didn't do any of this stuff over here.
Okay.
So we might want to turn around so we can.
Daddy,
So at the end, turn around. At the
No.
end, turn around. Or here, turn around.
Well, I mean,
Well, look. So once we get over to this other one, or
My
we're up
question
in
is-
here.
My question is here, finish this
Yeah,
side.
finish this little loopy thing
Okay.
to then be able to come back down and then swing out that way.
yeah, told job catching up. I got this.
Okay, will you keep us on track? Or otherwise you're fired. Aw.
It's a boy.
That is an ocelot.
These are the cats from that's a boy.
Yeah, no question there. It's definitely a boy.
Yeah, that's a boy.
Definitely a boy. Let's see what else we got. What else we got?
Yeah, this is the end right here. I'm gonna take a picture. I need to take a picture.
There's a rock right there.
Yeah, hiding.
Where is it?
This is the cloud. This one.
Another clouded leopard?
What's over here?
So right here's the U-turn right now.
Yes, correct.
So onwards.
Daddy,
Well, right up in, yeah, because the black bear's right there. So
Daddy, where is
So
it?
what we doing?
it is right up there by that chain. Right there in the little hole.
So look, Daddy. I'll
Watch
take
out.
pictures. So since we're right here, we can like go up and see that and go down.
Yeah, baby.
Okay.
Straight across, right here.
So what is there?
That's the part that goes down around. We got it. This is our U-turn point.
What? Yeah, we see the bear and then Komodo dragon go to the.